For 78 seasons, the UAAP has continued to produce notable and remarkable rivalries in the Collegiate League. Ang labanang FEU kontra UE o mas kilala sa tawag na Battle of the East ay nagsimula noon pang 1950s. During this era, UE and FEU would dominate most of the championships, resulting in a record for most championships for both schools.
UE has fielded in smaller players than FEU.
Mula nang simulan ang UAAP cheer dance competition noong 1994, ang UP at UST ang may pinakamaraming winning records. At sino ba ang di nakakakilala sa Ateneo de la Salle rivalry? In recent years, this rivalry has resulted in sold-out games and high gate attendance.
Like what Ateneo is saying, inside game, that's going to be the advantage of De La Salle.
Mas gaganda ang laban dito sa UAAP. Tumitindi, sumusulo dito sa ABS-CBN Sports and Action Channel 23. Patuloy na tumitindi, patuloy na sumusulong ang UAAP. Dito, nagiging posible ang halos imposible.
What a wild ride! What a look! Puts it up in air! Gets it to go!
Ang mga kampiyon nakakayang maging alamat.
Ila puts it through! Three-pointer for Enric. I am loving the energy. Oh my God!
Sa loob ng 17 years, may mga nakapagpanatili ng lakas.
All the way, yes! Accurate shot! Boy, this kid is strong. Great battle on the floor. Hammers it down.
May nagtagumpay mula sa ibaba.
They make history! Their first ever volleyball crown.
At may nabigyan ng pagkakataong muling maging pinakamalakas.
National University and a 60-year crown.
Ang UAAP tumitindi, sumusulong dito sa ABS-CBN Sports and Action Channel 23.
And National University and a 60-year crown gives them their second championship in their history. Back-to-back champions, Far Eastern University.
Kayo pa rin ang nanalo! Thank you!
3 threes in the fourth quarter. The man is hot.
Goal ko is to become better than last year. Kung ano pa yung mga ma-improve ko para matulungan ko yung team ko.
We have to find a way to win.
We just enjoyed the game, we play our best, and ito, sobrang ganda ng resulta.
And they come from behind in the series. They come from behind this season.
Sa lahat po ng supporters na naniwala sa amin, hindi nagsawa kahit natatalo kami.
But more than anything else, nagpapasalamat ako kay God for giving me the opportunity to be part of history.
Sabi nga nila, puro do or die na kami. Pero ito pa rin, buhay kami. And then nakuha na namin yung gusto namin